Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. Tonight, I want to try making some tater tots from scratch. So let's get this going. All right, friends, so we're going to start off by peeling some potatoes. And I'm doing 1 large and 3 small potatoes. All right, so we're going to take our peeled potatoes and we're going to stick them in a pot. And we're going to bring this up to a boil and let them boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. We don't want to cook them through like mashed potatoes. We just want to soften them a bit. All right, friends, so these have been boiling for a while. We are going to go ahead and pull them out and we are going to let them cool completely. So that way we can shred them up next. All right, now these are cool. We can go ahead and touch them. We are going to use this side and we are just going to go ahead and shave them down. All right, looking pretty good. Now let's go ahead and season these up. All right, we're going to go with some black pepper, some salt, and some onion powder. And just a little bit of flour to help keep it together. All right, let's mix these all up. Now we all know what tater tots look like, so we're gonna go ahead and shape them. There we go. All right, friends, so these ones were a little bit too big. I want to make them a little bit smaller. So I cut them in half just to make smaller tater tots. These are the normal size tater tots, not these big old monsters. I've got my cast iron skillet. I've got some oil in there so I can start frying these up. Homemade tater tots. Let's give these a try. Look at that. Look at how crispy it looks. Let's see if it sounds crispy too. Oh my gosh. The flavor is so good. And it's so creamy. The inside, super creamy. Oh man. Hubby just got home and he's excited to try these. See the inside of them? Super creamy. Friends, if your family loves tater tots, you definitely got to give these a try because these are amazing. Hands down, I will never buy store-bought frozen tater tots ever again. I'm only making them. These are so good. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these before and what you think of them. Until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.